As a car enthusiast, you know we spend so much time with big turbo cars and suspension upgrades and little turbo hot hatches and fun little tidbits, wheels and tires and drop tops and all the fun stuff that we totally forget that we have daily drivers that are big POSs because we've neglected them. So let's fix our daily driver, shall we? So if you're anything like us, you like to go out on a nighttime drive, blast some music, and still be able to see where the fuck you're going. So today we're going to upgrade the daily driver. We're going to buff and polish these headlights, and we're going to give you a good and honest review of Lasfit's headlights, because we've used these and only these for about 2 years now. So they sent us out a fresh pair for the Forester. So pause. Beep. So Lasfit gave me a list of requirements for reviewing these headlights, stuff that they want me to cover. Let's see here. Something about something. I can't read. All right. So anyway, join us for this transformation. We're going to buff and polish these headlights, show you how easy that these are to install, because they are quite amazing headlights. And wait, why did you write me a script? I can't read. So what I used to do this polish was just Meguiar's Plastex. So it's just a clear plastic cleaner and polish. So, and then a polishing pad with a rotational polisher. And it came out really good. Honestly, I did one pass on each headlight, and then I also coated it again just for the sake of double protection, I guess. One with the pad and then one with just by hand with a microfiber cloth, and that seemed to work out really well. So on to the next step, which is, I don't know.
Is it hard to see through the vape smoke from the Subaru WRX in front of you? Does it feel like your headlights aren't on, even with the high beams? Do you suck ass as a mechanic? Don't lie, you're definitely the Temu special, you Joe Goldberg knockoff. I mean, come on, you can't even read! But don't worry, I have just the job for you. An easy-to-install alternative to your dim headlights. Oh my god, no, that's not what I meant. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh. Temu mechanics are at it again. Ugh. Oh my god, this is way worse. Where do we find these people? God, this guy stinks! You dime store garbage bag piece of shit motherfucker! Where the f did we fucking get these pieces of motherfucking shit? I can't even stand these pieces of fuck! What the f?
I think we should jump to the proper fix now and install these Lasfit headlights, because you would have spent probably twice as much on that big flashlight or the headlamp. So let's just do the right thing here, guys. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these headlights. So even a dum-dum like me can do it. So if you go on Lasfit's website, you can plug in your vehicle, your make, model, blah, 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 and you could find yourself a set of headlights, high beams, fog lights, whatever you want. They specialize in LED lighting. But they also have just come out with some new stuff, which is floor mats. It's this super new technology, and I've never heard of it before. Brielle had to correct me. I didn't even know the name of them. Floor mats. Yeah. And bed liners for trucks. I don't know what that is either, but go check it out, I guess. Back to the headlights, I guess. So anyway, what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to take your hand and put it in here, and then the headlight should. We're gonna want to do a nice, easy twist here. If this connector wants to come off, oh, there we go. Hey, connector, bulb, done.
That was actually faster than I thought that was going to be when we talk about that.
See, I told you, Lasfit bulbs. Look at how easy this is. Junk. Throw it in the garbage.
That one's the original one. So
that is the OG. Junk. That's the original one, yeah. The Lasfit ones aren't junk. The original ones are junk. So, I can't read, so I have no use for this. But they come in this beautiful packaging. I do really like the packaging. It's nice and solid. Look at that. My God. That's snazzy. Go ahead, take a look. Take a good look. Take a good gander at this beautiful LED. Stunning. Stunning piece of art. Okay, let's throw it in, shall we? Because it's as simple as twist, click, and pull. Or no, wait, that's for my... Sorry. Twist, click, and then you leave it. The pull part was totally... That was for my... Yeah. Never mind. So you gotta shove it on in here. Push. Give it a twist. Lock it in place. And then you plug this MFer in. Make sure you use 4 hands and about 7 brain cells. And you'll be, oh, look at that. Click, done. 7 brain cells, gone. I don't even know how I'm going to do the other side. I ain't even got it on me right now. Look at that. Done, son. Done, son. All right. Now here's a good solid comparison of the OEM headlights and the Lasfit headlights. Look at that crazy difference. There's a little fan in the back of this one. Big old rubber seal here for weather protection. And an adjustable headlight. You can turn this bad boy to aim the headlight properly. Okay? And then gives you a little bit longer of a plug, whereas this one, it's just right up in. Less stress on the wires. Can't complain there. And now the last thing to do is test them out. I saw them light up your face in broad daylight. So we have been using Lasfit's headlights for quite a while now. We just had to get a set for our daily driver because we're sick of not being able to see at night. So we have them installed in my BMW Z3 and her Subaru Outback over here. And we've had them in those cars for about 2 years now with no issues. No burnt out bulbs. Visibility is amazing at night. Fantastic. I genuinely couldn't recommend these headlights enough.